Cruises are an amazing way to travel, but if you're not careful, the costs can add up fast. Today, I'm sharing 15 money-saving hacks that will help you cruise smarter, cheaper, and better. Let's get started. Hack number 1: book at the right time. One of the easiest ways to save money on a cruise is knowing when to book. Cruise lines offer discounts at two key times: far in advance or at the last minute. If you're a planner, booking 12 to 18 months ahead can get you early bird deals plus the best choice of cabins. This is especially important for popular itineraries that sell out quickly. On the other hand, if you're flexible and ready to pack your bags on short notice, you can take advantage of last-minute deals. Cruise lines hate to sail with empty cabins, so they often slash prices a few weeks before departure. The downside? You might have fewer cabin choices and flights to the port could be more expensive. But if you're up for an adventure and can travel on short notice, this strategy can save you hundreds, even thousands, of dollars. Whichever way you book, the key is to watch prices regularly and be ready to jump on a great deal when you see it. Hack number 2: consider cruise line bundles for extra savings. If you need flights and a hotel before your cruise, check if the cruise line offers bundled packages that include airfare, pre-cruise hotel stays, and even transfers to the port. Booking everything together can sometimes save you hundreds of dollars compared to booking separately. The catch? You won't have full control over your flight times or hotel choice, so if you're loyal to a certain airline or prefer to pick your exact schedule, this might not be the best option. However, if you're looking for convenience and savings, these packages can be a great deal. Before booking, always compare prices to make sure the bundle actually saves you money. If the price is right, this hack can make travel planning easier while keeping more cash in your pocket. Hack number 3: bring your own drinks. Cruise ship drink prices can add up fast, but did you know most cruise lines allow you to bring your own drinks on board? While you can't roll in with a keg, many cruises let each adult bring one bottle of wine or champagne and a 12-pack of soda or bottled water. This may not seem like much, but if you're planning to enjoy a few drinks, bringing your own can easily save you $50 to $100 compared to buying on board. A single bottle of wine on a cruise can cost $30 to $40, so bringing your own is a no-brainer. Just make sure to check your cruise line's specific policies, as rules vary. If allowed, this is a super simple way to keep your drink tab low while still enjoying your favorite beverages at sea. Hack number 4: find hidden cruise deals on social media. Did you know that some of the best cruise deals aren't even advertised to the public? If you want to save big, head over to Facebook groups dedicated to the cruise ship you're interested in. Just search for the name of your ship, like Icon of the Seas deals or Disney Treasure discounts, and you'll find groups full of travelers sharing tips, experiences, and most importantly, exclusive discounts. Many travel agents post special group rates in these forums that aren't available on cruise line websites. These deals can save you 20 to 30% or more off regular fares. Even if the price is the same, agents often offer onboard credit, free perks, or cabin upgrades to sweeten the deal. And the best part? Using a travel agent costs you nothing extra. They get paid by the cruise line, not you. Just make sure to book with a reputable agent. Read reviews, ask others in the group about their experiences, and don't be afraid to ask questions before committing. A great travel agent can not only save you money but also handle all the details so you don't have to spend hours on hold with customer service. Facebook groups can be a game changer for your cruise budget. Hack number 5: score a cabin upgrade for less. Want a better cabin without paying full price? Many cruise lines offer upgrade bidding programs where you can place a bid to move up to a higher category room, like from an interior to a balcony or even a suite, at a fraction of the regular cost. Each cruise line has its own version of this, like Royal Caribbean's Royal Up or Norwegian's Upgrade Advantage, and while there's no guarantee you'll win, it's a risk-free way to try for an upgrade. Just keep in mind that some upgrades don't include extra perks, like priority boarding or concierge service, so check the details before you bid. If you're flexible and willing to roll the dice, this is a great way to elevate your cruise experience without breaking the bank. Hack number 6: take advantage of kids' sail-free promotions. If you're cruising with kids, keep an eye out for kids' sail-free promotions, which can save you hundreds, sometimes even thousands, of dollars on your trip. Several cruise lines, including Royal Caribbean and MSC, run these deals throughout the year, allowing children to cruise at no extra cost when sharing a cabin with two paying adults. Even if this promotion isn't available when you first book, don't worry. If the deal pops up before your final payment, you can call the cruise line and ask them to adjust your booking. Since these offers are usually limited and sell out fast, it's smart to book early and keep checking for updates. If your travel dates are flexible, try cruising during off-peak times when these deals are more common. It's one of the easiest ways for families to cruise for less while still enjoying all the fun at sea. Hack number 7. Check for price drops after you book. Just because you've booked your cruise doesn't mean you're locked into that price. Many cruise lines allow you to adjust your fare if the price drops before your final payment is due. This means if you booked your cruise for $2,000 and a few weeks later the price drops to $1,700, you can call the cruise line or your travel agent and request a price match or onboard credit for the difference. The key is to check prices regularly. Set a reminder to look at fares every few days. Just remember, once you make your final payment, your price is locked in, so it's smart to leave a small balance until the deadline just in case prices go down. A little effort could save you hundreds of dollars on your cruise. Hack number 8. Use cruise search engines to find the best deals. If you love finding the best possible price on a cruise, then you need to start using cruise search engines. These websites scan multiple cruise lines at once, letting you compare prices, itineraries, cabin options, and special promotions all in one place. Instead of jumping from one cruise line's website to another, a search engine does the hard work for you, showing you hidden discounts, price drops, and exclusive deals that you might not find on your own. One of the biggest advantages of using a search engine is that you can set filters based on your budget, preferred destinations, travel dates, and even specific cruise ship amenities. Looking for a Caribbean cruise in June with a balcony under $1,000? No problem. These tools help you narrow down your choices quickly so you don't waste time searching manually. Another pro tip: check prices frequently. Cruise fares fluctuate daily, and sometimes a great deal only lasts a few hours before prices go back up. Some search engines even let you set price alerts so you'll get notified when fares drop on the cruises you're interested in. Hack number 9. Book excursions with third-party companies. Shore excursions are a huge part of the cruise experience, but booking directly through the cruise line often means higher prices and bigger crowds. Instead, look for independent tour operators at your port of call. You'll usually find smaller groups, better experiences, and much lower prices. For example, a zip-lining excursion that costs $150 per person through the cruise line might be $80 with a local tour company. Worried about missing the ship? Many reputable companies offer return-to-ship guarantees, and as long as you manage your time wisely, you'll be back with plenty of time to spare. Just be sure to read reviews and book through trusted sites like Viator or Get Your Guide. By going with a third-party tour, you'll save money, avoid massive crowds, and get a more personal, unforgettable experience at every destination. Hack number 10. Avoid onboard spending traps. Cruise ships are designed to tempt you into spending more, but with a little planning, you can stick to your budget and avoid unnecessary expenses. Specialty dining, spa treatments, arcade games, and souvenir shops can quickly add up, leaving you with a shockingly high bill at the end of your trip. To stay on track, set a spending limit before you board and use the cruise line's app to track your expenses in real time. Also, be mindful of pricey onboard services. Massages, drink packages, and casino games can cost way more than you expect. Instead, look for free activities like comedy shows, trivia nights, and live music. If you do plan to splurge on extras, check for discounts on port days when spa treatments and drink specials are often cheaper. A little self-control goes a long way. By avoiding onboard spending traps, you can enjoy your cruise without blowing your budget. Hack number 11. Pack smart. Packing wisely can save you money, stress, and even luggage fees on your cruise. Instead of overpacking, bring versatile clothing that you can mix and match, and take advantage of onboard laundry services if needed. Some cruise lines even offer free laundry perks for loyalty members. If you're flying to your cruise port, packing light can help you avoid expensive airline baggage fees. Also, think about bringing items that will save you money on board, like your own snorkel gear, reusable water bottles, and over-the-counter medicines. since buying them on the ship can be pricey. And don't forget, most cruise lines allow you to bring a bottle of wine and a 12-pack of soda or water, helping you cut down on drink costs. By packing smart, you'll travel lighter, avoid unnecessary expenses, and have more room for souvenirs. Hack number 12: choose the right cabin. Picking the right cabin can make or break your cruise experience, so it's important to know your options. Interior cabins are the most affordable, but they have no windows, perfect if you just need a place to sleep and don't mind a dark room. Ocean view cabins have a window, giving you natural light without the higher cost of a balcony. Balcony cabins let you step outside and enjoy fresh sea air, making them a popular choice for travelers who want a private outdoor space without paying for a suite. Finally, suites offer the most luxury with extra space, exclusive perks, and sometimes even a personal butler, but they can cost 2 to 3 times more than a standard room. If you're on a budget but want an upgraded experience, consider booking an interior or ocean view cabin and using the extra savings for excursions, dining, or onboard activities. Whatever you choose, pick a cabin that fits both your budget and the way you like to travel. Hack number 13: cruise during the off-season. If you want to save big money on your next cruise, consider sailing during the off-season. Cruise prices are typically higher during holidays, school breaks, and summer months, but if you can travel during less popular times, you'll often find much lower fares. For example, Caribbean cruises are cheapest in September and early December, while Alaska cruises drop in price during April and late September. Not only will you save hundreds of dollars, but ships are usually less crowded, meaning fewer lines at buffets, pools, and excursions. Plus, off-season cruising can also mean cooler weather, calmer seas, and better deals on flights and hotels. If you have a flexible schedule, this is one of the easiest ways to cruise for less while enjoying a more relaxed experience at sea. Hack number 14: prepay your gratuities. Cruise gratuities can add up quickly, but prepaying them in advance is a smart way to save money and avoid surprises at the end of your trip. Most cruise lines increase gratuity rates every year, so if you prepay, you lock in the current rate, even if prices go up before your cruise. Plus, it makes budgeting easier since you won't have a big bill waiting for you at the end of your trip. While some people try to remove gratuities to save money, remember that these tips go to hardworking crew members, many of whom work long hours to make sure you have an amazing experience. Prepaying is a stress-free way to take care of this expense up front and enjoy your cruise without worrying about extra charges. Hack number 15: take advantage of onboard credit. Onboard credit is like free money you can use during your cruise, and the best part is, you don't have to do anything extra to get it. Many cruise lines offer onboard credit promotions when you book, and some travel agents even throw in extra credit as a booking perk. You can use this credit for drinks, specialty dining, spa treatments, shore excursions, or even onboard shopping. Some cruise lines also allow you to use it in the casino, giving you a chance to turn that free credit into real winnings. Before booking, always check if there's an onboard credit offer available. It's an easy way to get more value out of your cruise without spending extra.